Hello guys, welcome back to Intellect Insight, where we break down complex ideas in simple ways. In today's video, we will see what is a black hole. Black holes are one of the most fascinating and mysterious phenomena in the universe. But what exactly is a black hole? How do they form? And why can't even light escape them? Black holes form when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. After it exhausts its fuel, it can no longer support its own weight and it implodes, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density and gravity. Surrounding a black hole is the event horizon, also known as the point of no return. Once something crosses this boundary, not even light can escape. It's as if the black hole has a gravitational pull so strong that it bends space and time itself. At the very center of a black hole lies the singularity, a place where space and time break down, and the laws of physics as we know them cease to function. It's a point of infinite density and gravity, and it's one of the most puzzling aspects of black holes. Black holes are invisible because they don't emit light. However, scientists can detect them by observing the behavior of nearby stars and gas. When matter falls into a black hole, it can create a glowing disk of a gas and dust known as an accretion disk, which can be seen from afar. When two black holes merge, they create ripples in space time called gravitational waves. These waves can travel across the universe, and scientists have recently detected them, confirming that black holes collide and merge. Despite their mysterious nature, black holes are a key to understanding the universe. As technology advances, we may soon unlock even more secrets about these enigmatic objects and their role in the cosmos. Black holes challenge our understanding of space and time, and while we may never fully unravel all their mysteries, their study will continue to push the boundaries of science. Who knows what we will discover next? With this question, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.